Hey there, John. That's right. In fact, 90 degrees in Albuquerque, the first time so far in 2022, and actually is one of the earliest 90-degree days on record for Albuquerque. And we're looking at the record of 92 degrees, so we were just 2 degrees shy of that record. We should be in the mid-70s this time of year. Of course, we also have that wind out there that's cranking in the warmth across New Mexico and that near record heat. Dangerous fire conditions. That's why we have impact weather as we head into tomorrow with strong and gusty dry winds ahead. Unseasonably warm temperatures as well. This evening, if you are stepping out, a lot of those gusty breezes here in Albuquerque, out of the west, 20 to 30 miles per hour, some stronger gusts possible. 86 degrees at 7 p.m. Those temperatures come down to the lower 50s by tomorrow morning. It will be a breezy start on your day. And wind advisories across north and west New Mexico in the areas of the fires, well, those are going to come down for tonight and be replaced with wind warnings. We do have a wind advisory for southwest New Mexico for tomorrow with gusts up to 50 miles per hour around TRC, Deming, and Lordsburg. But these are wind warnings that are in effect for even stronger winds, gusts 60 to 65 miles per hour in the area of the fires. Unfortunately, up around the Las Vegas area, Raton, and also Gallup and Grants. That's tonight all the way into your Mother's Day. So this is what it looks like as we go through tonight. Winds calm down most areas, but look at this. This is 1 o'clock in the morning. We're looking at winds well over 20 miles per hour for the Las Vegas area, and that's of course going to really make for some really rough fire conditions. You see that we're looking at winds at 30 miles per hour at 8 o'clock in the morning, and those winds really get going across all parts of New Mexico as we go through the day. These are wind speeds. The gusts will be much stronger than that. No surprise that not only this evening, but we're also looking at tomorrow as a red flag day for all of New Mexico. Do not start any sparks. That would get a fire going. Check out the smoke forecast across the northern part of the state and the areas of the fires around Las Vegas and also back toward the Santa Fe area. Yeah, lots of thick smoke around tomorrow morning, and then the wind really gets going. That's going to crank more smoke out for tomorrow afternoon. Four Corners and Farmington, it's all about the wind tomorrow. Really critical fire conditions out there. Be very careful. Gallup, Grants, also into Farmington, Chinle, into Durango. And we get a little bit less wind Monday, Tuesday, but strong winds as we head into Wednesday. Southwest New Mexico, lots of wind, areas of blowing dust, and that could create some difficult driving. Lordsburg to Deming along the I-10 corridor. Silver City, lots of wind there. TRC into Socorro. Next couple of days, more wind again for Wednesday. Into the southeastern part of the state, lots of wind out there as well with the heat. Temperatures all in the 90s for the next 7 days for Roswell. Could be some storms around. We'll have to watch that by Wednesday across southeast New Mexico. Some of those could be strong. In the northeast, yeah, we talked about this. Las Vegas, Raton, and also into Cedar Crest, Moriarty, Santa Rosa. It's all about the wind the next several days. Really tough fire conditions for those firefighters. Let's wish them the best. And Santa Fe, lots of smoke around for you. Los Alamos, those winds will be up tomorrow and also into Monday. I think another wind day for Wednesday before things relax late in the week. And right here in the metro, Bernalillo, Rio Rancho, Los Lunas, Sublin. I know it's Mother's Day. I wish I had a better forecast for the moms out there, but yeah, it's not going to be a great day with those winds really cranking up, areas of blowing dust, John, and that's going to create that critical fire weather. We got impact weather for tomorrow and again on Wednesday. Those are the windiest of the next 7 days, but the wind is really going to be blowing for the next several days.